And this is China. She came back from China, but her color is not showing China, it's showing Nigeria. We are active full time. And this is one of our best cooker. Understand? My celebrity crush. My celebrity crush. Hey. My celebrity crush. They're asking for her, for her visa. Yeah.
You don't do now.
Okay. And this is one of the Nigerian artists that like cooking in the kitchen. Manuku everywhere, big Auntie Obi. This is Manuku, you can see. This is 5 in 1. This is see turning the guinea fish should be the fried rice. Okay. Me, I don't know the color of that one.
It's fried rice, as you can see.
And this is the Nigerian
Mommy.
The Nigerian mommy that just came back from US.
Yes. She came back last night.
You are hearing? She came back last night. She came back from US. And she's in the kitchen. Okay, see next week on our kitchen. Hey, let's see what they are cooking. I say this is fried rice.
Yes.
Okay, they say it's fried rice. You can see. But, I don't know. They are frying isha. I'm not seeing granite oil. This one is this one is bitter leaf soup. Okay. So this is bitter leaf soup, as you can see. Okay, bitter leaf sauce soup. Okay, bitter leaf sauce soup. Okay. And this one is what? Afam soup. This is afam. They say it's afam soup, as you can see. It's called afam soup. Afam. Okay. And this is enough meat. Enough meat. Meat. Okay. I see fish. Fine fish. So this is basil. There's nothing inside. Live fish. Okay. No using that to do anything. The cooler is the rice is ready. As you can see. You can see the rice, everything is set. The rice is set. Everything is okay. Occasion is ready. This one, what is this here? Moi moi. They say this one is moi moi and it's ready. It's set. What again? Egusi soup is ready. This is egusi soup. Egusi, I don't know. Anyone could call it. And this one is okay. This one is ofaku stew for white rice. This is the white rice now. White rice. I see it's ready. Which one again? Which one is ready? Which one is ready? All this one is jollof rice now. All these ones are jollof rice. Fried rice is still on fire. And the other is cutting sauce. Kanda for sauce. As you can see, the sauce is getting ready. Okay. Everybody is ready. Everybody is ready. Madam, what do you have to say to the camera? You that came back from US.
And besides, she can't speak Igbo.
Okay, she cannot speak Igbo. She cannot speak Igbo. Let's go to those that can speak Igbo. Our celebrity crush. Let's go to those that can speak Igbo. So, what do you have to say to the camera? The celebrity crush. Hi. You say hi.
Yes, no,
she say hi. Hi has finished.